Planning your adventure, mastering itineraries. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the exciting world of English language learning. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning behind the phrases, plan the itinerary. Whether you're a traveler, a planner, or simply curious, understanding this phrase is key to unlocking a world of organized adventures. So, let's get started and explore how to effectively plan an itinerary. When we talk about planning the itinerary, we're referring to the process of organizing a detailed plan for a trip or any journey. An itinerary includes information like destinations, routes, timings, and places to visit. It's like a roadmap for your adventure, ensuring you know where you're going, what you're doing, and how long you'll spend at each stop. Planning an itinerary requires thoughtful consideration of what you want to achieve and experience during your journey. Planning an itinerary is crucial for several reasons. It helps in maximizing your time by knowing what you'll do and when you can make the most out of your trip. Budget management. Understanding your plan allows you to allocate your budget more effectively. Avoiding stress. With a plan in place, you can enjoy your journey without worrying about what comes next. Enhancing the experience. Knowing the highlights of your trip in advance can enhance your overall experience. 1. Define your destinations. Know where you want to go. 2. Research. Look into the attractions, activities, and must-see sites. 3. Consider your budget and time. Balance your desires with what's practical. 4. Book accommodations and transport. Ensure you have somewhere to stay and how to get around. 5. Create a daily schedule. Break down your trip into days, allocating time for each activity. 6. Be flexible. Allow some room for spontaneous adventures or relaxation. Use travel apps and websites. They can offer valuable insights and simplify the planning process. Check local conditions. Be aware of the weather, holidays, or any events that might affect your plans. Pack wisely. Remember to pack according to your itinerary, considering any special activities. Stay informed. Keep up to date with any changes or travel advisories related to your destinations. Planning the itinerary is an essential step in ensuring your trip is as enjoyable and stress-free as possible. By understanding the importance and steps involved in planning, you're well on your way to creating unforgettable experiences. We hope this video has shed some light on how to plan your itinerary effectively. Happy planning, and we look forward to seeing you on your next adventure. Remember, the world is yours to explore, and with a well-planned itinerary, there's no limit to the wonders you can discover. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.